The more juicier, sweeter things they'll eat first. Like us only, if you go to a party and all, non-veg party ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮಟನು ಚಿಕನು ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ರೈಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ likewise animals and birds and all creatures, they want to concentrate on the preferable things first. Very beautiful seeds of one of the millet only. This is seed, flower, everything we could see.